For day number 854. 854 days ago, the war started in Ukraine and everything has been changed in the world. Welcome today. Today in the daily newspaper of Wednesday, June the 26th, 2024. We have here three regular puzzles. And those puzzles are the 3 Star Sudoku, the 4 Star Sudoku, and the binary. In this newspaper, we have also an additional with extra puzzles. Let me show you the extra puzzles. In this additional, we have the letter Sudoku, the 2 stars, the 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudoku. We have 2 jigsaw Sudokus, one with 4 stars, one with 1 star. In Dutch, they call it Cyberblock, in Japanese, Suguru. And the last puzzle is the binary puzzle. These puzzles, I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve not now, but in the evening. Now I will start with these 3 regular puzzles. And these 3 regular puzzles are the 3 stars, the 4 stars, and the jigsaw Sudoku. First one, the 3 star Sudoku number 8, 7, 9, 2, I believe, yes. 8792. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 26 printed digits. Usually the 3 stars puzzle has 25. This one has 1 digit more. Should be at 2 stars. A 2 stars puzzle I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. Well, it's indicated with 3 stars, and for 3 stars puzzle I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. Alright, so let's get started. Already 2 minutes past. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in this row, so no 7 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left with a 7 in this big square. Should be there, so 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7. 8 is missing, 9 is missing. 8 and 9, 8 and 9. We have 8 in the set column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and 9 goes there. Can we do this again? Let me see. 4 in this row, 4 in the row below. So last row, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be there. 4, 4, okay. Need an 8 there. Need a 6 there. 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the 6 should be there. 9 in this row, 9 in the row below. So last row, the only place left for the 9 should be there. Need a 7 here. Then 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We have 8 in the last row, so no 8 in these 2 boxes. We have 8 in the middle column, so no 8 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 8 in this big square. Should be there. 8, 8. 1 in this column, 1 in that column. So the column 3 in the middle column. Only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 1, 1. 3, 3. Then need a 7 here. 2, 3, 5. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 5. We have 5 in the last row. No 5 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 5 in this big square. Should be there. So 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3 is missing. 2 and 3, 2 and 3. Let me mark those 2 boxes. The other pair in the last row are the numbers. The 1, the 2 and 3. The 4, the 5, 6 is missing. And the 7 is missing. 6 and the 7, 6 and the 7. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Need a 6 here. Need a 7 there. So need a 1. 3 in this column. Last column. 3 in the column next. So in that column, the only place level 3 should be there. 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing. 2 is missing. 1 and 2. 1 and 2. And that's a lot of pairs here. Then need 3 here. Let me think. Need a 5 here. 5 in the last column, 5 in that column, so the column between. Only 2 places left, the 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in this row, no 5 there, 5 should be there. Need a 1 there. So in this column, we have 4 missing numbers in this column. One of the missing numbers is a 1. Here can be 1, we have a 1 in this row, no 1 there. Here can be 1, we have a 1 in the middle row, no 1 there. So the only 2 places left for the 1 in this column should be here or there. We see another 1 in the first row, no 1 there. The only place left for the 1 should be there. 1, 1, okay. 5, 5, okay. Now, let me see. 3, 5, 3, 5. Need a 9, need a 2, need a 4. 3 missing numbers in this column. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4 is missing, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and 9 is missing. 2, 4, 9, 2, 4, 9, 2, 4, 9, 2, 4, 9, and look, we have 4 and a 9 in this row. So no 4 and a 9 in this box. 4 and the 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 4 and a 9, 4 and a 9. So 1 digit left in this column for number 2. And we have a pair, the 2 and 3 in this row. The 2 and the 3 in the middle row. So the row above, the only 2 places left for the 2 and 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and 3, 2 and 3. Now we have a pair here in this column. So the other 2 missing numbers in this column are the numbers. The 1, the 2, and the 3. 4 is missing. And a 5 is missing. 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5. We have a 5 in this row. No 5 there. 5 should be here. And a 4 goes there. And we have a pair. The 1 and the 4 in this row. The 1 and the 4 in the middle row. So the row above. The only 2 places left for the 1 and 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and 4, 1 and 4. We have a 4 in this column. No 4 there. 4 should be here. And a 1 goes there. 1 and a 2. We have 1 in this column. No 1 there. 1 should be here. And a 2 goes there. 2 in this column. 2 in the column next to the last column. The only place left for the 2 should be there. I marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 4 and a 9. We have a 4 in this big square, so no 4 there. 4 should be here. 9 goes there. Alright, and now 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing. The 7 and 8 is missing. 6 and 8, 6 and 8. We have a 6 in this one, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and 8 goes there. 6 in the 7, we have a 6 in the last column, no 6 there. 6 should be here. 7 goes there. And 1 box left in this row for number, I believe the 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, the 2 and 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. The 6 and the 7 is missing. 5 and the 7, 5 and the 7. Let me, oh, we have a 5 in the middle column, no 5 there. 5 should be here. 7 goes there. Alright. Then, let me see. 4 in this column, 4 in that column, so the column 3 in the middle column. The only 2 places left for 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in the first row, no 4 there. 4 should be there. Then, let me see. Let me see. Need an 8 here. Need a 4 here. Oh, 4 in the first row, 4 in the third row, so the row between the second row. Only 3 places left for 4 should be here, here, or there. We have a 4 in the third column, no 4 there. We have a 4 in the first column, no 4 there. Only place left for 4 should be there. 3 missing numbers in the second column. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 1, 3, 7. 1, 3, 7, 1, 3, 7, 1, 3, 7. And look, we have 1 and 7 in this row. So no 1 and 7 in this box. 1 and 7 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and 7, 1 and 7. We have 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 7 goes there. So 1 digit left in the second column for number 3. Alright, 2 numbers left in this row for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5, 6 is missing and a 7 is missing. 6 and a 7, 6 and a 7. We have a 7 in the third column, no 7 there. 7 should be here and the 6 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. 2 and a 5, 2 and a 5. We have a 5 in the first column. No 5 there. 5 should be here and the 2 goes and there. Alright. 2 and a 3, okay. How about the 6 in the third row, the 6 in the second row? So in the first row, the only 2 places left, 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in the third column, no 6 there. 6 should be there. 2 numbers left in the first column, 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7. 8 is missing, 9 is missing, 8 and 9, 8 and 9. We have 8 in the second row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and 9 goes there. 8 in the third row, 8 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place left with 8 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. The 8 and the 9 is missing. 7, 9, 7, 9. We have a 9 in the second row. No 9 there. 9 should be here. And the 7 goes there. 9 in the third row. 9 in the second row. So in the first row. Only 2 places left. And the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in this column. No 9 there. 9 should be there. Then, let me see. Let me see. 2 and then 1 in this row, 1 in that row, third row. So the row between the second row. The only place left for 1 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2 is missing, and the 3 is missing. 2 and 3, 2 and 3. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 1 box left in this row, first row for number 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. 2 and a 3, we have a 3 now in this column, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 and a 3, we have a 3 now in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 2 goes there. And the final 2 numbers in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. 2 and a 7. 2 and a 7, we have a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be here. 7 goes there, finished in 11 minutes. Cannot believe this. 3 stars. No. 2 stars, no. 1 star, no. Should be a 0 stars. I'm faster than 14, 13 minutes. So well pleased with the time. And I like this one, yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And we'll see you in a minute with the other 2 regular puzzles. Until then, bye bye for now.